Hello to all my PGL family. Congratulations because we have the most effective product talaga. Kasi one of the regional director of our government agency in Davao have tried the product kasi nagadugo ng iyahang pupo, no. I will just don't mention the name, super ganda. Binigyan ko siya ng 1 box ng ating probiotics, no. So amazing kasi for the first time na wala na nagdugo ang iyahang pupo, no. So that's how amazing and effective our probiotics product kasi talagang ihihil niya yung mga sugat na meron sa loob ng ating ng intestines or sa stomach man, yung mga may nagagasgas na because of too much bad bacteria, no, kasi more bacteria, more acid. So ang mangyayari, pag kulang ka ng probiotics, dadami yung bad bacteria inside. So the more na maraming bad bacteria, lalo din pong magkaka-acidic ang sistema ng ating katawan. So nasusugatan po yung ating intestinal wall. So ang pagpapainom ko po sa kanya is 2 capsules 3 times a day, empty stomach with the lukewarm water. Maganda kasi pag lukewarm yung itutulak natin sa capsule. Kasi pagka medyo warm, madali pong matunaw yung ating capsule, no? So, yun po ang testimony, no? Ayaw niya lang ibanggit yung kanyang name, alam niyo na. Pero, sobrang ganda po talaga ng ating probiotics, no? Me personally, I am very proud to have this product, to be a part of this company. If you do have some questions about the probiotics or may mga binibigyan kayo na kunwari nagtatanong sila kasi after taking may mga reaction silang nararamdaman or whatsoever, just feel free to text or chat me, no? Then they can ask me para at least ma-explain natin kasi ako for 24 years as a colon hydrotherapist, no, nagiging specialized tayo sa colon. The more probiotics, the more na healthier yung isang tao. Kasi pag wala tayong probiotics or good bacteria, dumadami ang bad bacteria, kaya po yung iba, no, kahit nagtututbrush, iinumin na ng iba yung kanilang mga mouthwash, pero mabaho pa rin yung hininga. So nakokorek po yan siya ng ating probiotics, no? So malaking bagay, napakaganda po talaga. Kaninang umaga ko lang nakausap si RD. Sobrang happy niya talaga sa product natin. And yung kanyang bloatedness talagang naibsan. So he's so happy with our product po talaga. So I hope that everybody will also become happy. Kung meron man yung mga tanong-tanong, madali lang po i-explain yan. Just ask me kung kailangan nyo yung aking sagot at yung aking tulong. So, I'm very much willing to give you some advices and mga sagot doon sa katanungan ng inyong mga patient client. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Yun ang sinasabi natin lagi. Pag maraming probiotics yung ating tiyan, so, linis tiyan, healthy tiyan, sexy tiyan.